Hey guys, so I like making things, as you all know. I made the Captain America shield, Stormbreaker, and Mjolnir, and the Spartan helmet, and the SWAT shield. So, I kind of figured, why not Wolverine's claws? Got plenty of cardboard saved up, and a couple cardboard tubes, so kind of figured, why not give it a try? So, So, I already pre-cut the tubes to fit my hands perfectly, like that, as you can see, fits great. So, we have two of those tubes, about the same length, and we're gonna take like a couple of sheets, like this, two sheets like that. That'll probably work for making the claws, and if I feel like it, I will reinforce it with stronger cardboard. And if it's still not strong enough, I'm just gonna be putting it all together with duct tape anyways, so won't affect that much. Duct tape fixes everything. So, I'm going to draw up the claws with a Sharpie. I can figure out where my Sharpie went, because I don't know where my Sharpie went. So, I'll just use a pencil. Let's put you all right here. That's about good. I like that. I might have to kind of like pull tabs in like that. So, yeah. This is a kind of probably going to be a boring part. So skip to the number on screen to figure out when I'm done drawing, because it's just less editing for me. So, here you go. That's kind of what I've got going. So, these are going to go inside of the tube. I don't think you can see that, but it's going to go inside of the tube. I'm going to put like a rod or something in between all three of them to help keep them inside, so they won't slide out on me. And it'll make it easier to put it all together. So there's that, and I will cut back once I have it all cut out. So here they are. I have them cut out, but it's just kind of, I need to put them onto one of the tubes so it'll sit like this, and it'll have these three sticking out, so I can have something comfortable to grab on, instead of just three prongs like this. So, yeah, just gotta put it all together now. I really don't think you all want to watch me do that, so cut back once I have it all put together. But then I'm just gonna have to kind of like tape it and get everything ready to where I can just make it a lot. So I have everything put together, so it looks pretty dope. Goes in like that, kind of claw kind of thing. But I might like put something in this to keep it a lot more sturdy. Yeah, so besides that, it's done. I just have to put like duct tape on it to reinforce it a bit. But besides that, looks pretty dope. And I'm just going to make the second one completely off camera, because it's as simple as it is. Just three prongs sticking out of a tube. It's as simple as it gets. And yeah, pretty dope. Really do like it. Another thing is you don't want the two outside prongs straight, because if they're straight it'd look like this. Well, not exactly like that. But with them not being straight, it kind of fans it out. It looks a lot better, like that. So yeah, there's Wolverine's claws. Pretty dope. So, I'll come back once everything's completely done. So, I'm done. So, because I used silver duct tape, I kind of figured I wouldn't need to, like, paint it or anything, because it's already silver. So yeah, there's Wolverine's claws. I gotta make the other set, but I'm gonna do that later. This took quite a while to make, actually. A lot longer than I thought I was going to. You'll only see like a third of what I actually do. Putting the duct tape to make it strong enough alone took long enough, so it's pretty sturdy. Pretty cool. Yeah, so now I have Wolverine's claws. Yes. Peace, y'all. Hey guys, I have them both done, so they're pretty cool. I mean, they're not very sturdy, they're cardboard. But that's to be expected. I did make them out of cardboard, but they're still pretty cool. And it's pretty dope. I really do like them. They're really cool. Oh. Peace.